This incredible Brentwood 2F floor plan from First Texas Homes is featured in the community of Somerset in Mansfield, Texas. This model home includes 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, a 2-car garage with more than 4,366 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an extended covered front porch with wood accents, which offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal dining room with architectural features, including arches, tray ceilings, double crown molding, wainscoting, and large beautiful windows, perfect for entertaining on special family occasions. The California kitchen features a massive center island with quartz countertops, 42-inch cabinets with upper glass doors, lower cabinet accent lighting, built-in stainless steel double oven, a built-in microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash, and the adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light. The family room is where you'll find many of our most popular upgrades, including a beautiful spiral staircase, soaring ceilings, large beautiful windows, and a ledger stone fireplace with mantel. Tucked behind the staircase is the private study with French doors, crown molding, wainscoting, built-in shelves, and large windows with seating bench, making this a perfect home office. Also, around the corner from the private study, you will find a full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The private master suite features tray ceilings, double crown molding, and a cozy reading area with beautiful bay windows. The master bath features split vanities, a deep relaxing corner garden tub, an extended walk-in shower with seamless glass enclosure and custom tile, and a spacious master closet. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with plenty of open space for the kids to relax, study, or hang out with friends. The media room features a vaulted ceiling, a wet bar, surround sound wiring, large closet, and Savant home automation. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, large closets, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and another full bathroom complete the second floor. This Brentwood 2 floor plan also includes an extended covered patio with ceiling fans and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This beautiful Brentwood 2 floor plan is available to be built in the master-planned community of Somerset in Mansfield, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Brentwood 2 floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.